Scientific methodology involves observing and asking questions, making inferences and forming hypotheses, conducting controlled experiments, collecting and analyzing data, and drawing conclusions. The dependent variable is a variable that is observed and changes in response to the independent variable. The independent variable is a variable that is deliberately changed. Data is the information that scientists gather from the experimental observations. There are two main types of data. The quantitative data are numbers obtained by counting or measuring, and the qualitative data are descriptive and involve characteristics that cannot usually be counted. Curiosity, skepticism, and open-mindedness and creativity help scientists generate new ideas. Curiosity, which involves a curious researcher, is a person or a scientific who is constantly doing questions about an experiment. Skepticism, which means that they question existing ideas and hypotheses, and they refuse to accept the explanations without evidence. Open-mindedness, meaning that they are willing to accept different ideas that they might not agree with their hypotheses. Researchers also need to think creatively to design experiments that yield accurate data. Biology is the study of life. All organisms store the complex information they need to live, grow, and reproduce in a genetic code written in a molecule called DNA. Asexual reproduction, in which a single organism produces offspring identical to itself. Sexual reproduction, cells from two parents unite to form the first cell of a new organism. All forms of life of Earth are connected into a biosphere, which literally means living planet. The combination of chemical reactions through which an organism builds up or breaks down materials is called metabolism. All organisms need to keep their internal environment relatively stable, even when external conditions change dramatically. This condition is called homeostasis. The combination of chemical reactions through which an organism builds up or breaks down materials is called metabolism. The study of biology revolves around several interlocking big ideas: the cellular basis of life, information and heredity, matter and energy, growth, development, and reproduction, homeostasis, evolution, structure and function, unity and diversity of life, interdependence in nature, and science as a way of knowing.
Espero que les haya gustado mi video.